In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to your Squarespace blog. Adding images to your blog can significantly enhance your site's visual appeal and help convey your message more effectively. Let's walk through this process step by step. To start, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, navigate over to the Pages section. This is where you will find all the pages of your site neatly listed. Your blog should be among these, and it typically holds a pivotal spot in this list. Identifying the blog section is relatively straightforward, as it's usually labeled clearly, often just as blog. So go ahead and click on that. Now that you have your blog open, you'll want to decide which post you're going to add an image to. Once you've selected your post, look for the Edit button. It's important to note that when you click Edit, you're entering a mode where you can make changes to your post. Be mindful of any accidental changes, but don't worry too much, as you can always correct anything that's unintended. Next, you'll need to add what's called a block. Blocks are fundamental units in Squarespace where you can insert content such as text, images, and videos. To do this, simply click on the option labeled Add Block. You'll be presented with a variety of content blocks. For our purposes, you'll want to select the Image block. Adding an image block is key here, as it sets up the structure within your post where your image will reside. With the image block added, it's time to edit it. Editing allows you to configure your image block settings so that your image displays just the way you want it. Click on Edit within the image block to proceed to the next step. You should now see an option to add an image. This part is straightforward but crucial. Clicking on this option will open up another menu where you can either select an existing image from your library or upload a new one from your device. More often than not, you'll want to opt for Add an Image to bring a new visual into your post. For those uploading a fresh file, select Upload File. You'll be prompted to browse your device's storage to pick the image you want. It's always a good practice to ensure that your images are high quality and relevant to your post's content to maintain a professional appearance. Once you've uploaded and added the image, don't forget the final step: clicking Save. This action will secure all your changes, ensuring that your image is properly embedded into your blog post. Always double-check that your image appears as desired and is positioned correctly within the post. And there you have it, a seamless process to enhance your Squarespace blog with captivating images. Happy blogging!